So right now the world's in quite a messy situation, and I know a lot of you guys are probably stuck in isolation at home. So I kind of wanted to do a video that's gonna actually involve you as well, and will hopefully inspire some of you and, you know, give you guys something to focus on if you're really struggling with just having to stay indoors for like 2 solid weeks. So this morning I asked on Instagram people to give me ideas for props to make just using items that I already have kind of lying around the house. I know what people aren't going to have the same stuff I have. Nobody's going to have like all kinds of different things and different tools and stuff. This is just going to be a thing what just see what you can do, just have a little bit of fun with it. What you make by no means needs to be perfect. It's just something maybe help you learn a new skill and just, you know, just help pass the time really. You guys come up with some great suggestions, but I decided to go with binocs, which Tyra Smurf actually came up with. So binocs are the Star Wars equivalent of binoculars, most seen in episode 4. The Sound Troopers use them and Luke Skywalker uses them. So I'm going to be kind of going for that sort of style today. And yeah, we're not going to make anything that's screen accurate. We're literally just going to use whatever I can find, and I've got an idea for what I can use for a base, so I'm going to have to go inside and grab it. So I just come into the kitchen and here, and we got some of this Nesquik milkshake powder, which I think is horrendously out of date. Yes, horrendously out of date. We really need to check these cupboards more. I mean, it's powder, does it go out of date really? There doesn't seem to be much left in here, because strawberry is so my favourite thing. Take a look in here too. Got some like supplies for when we do like barbecues and parties and stuff. And got some bamboo skewers. Gonna take some of these. Some small cut. Yeah, I'll get some of this cutlery at the back. Get some of the. Use like the handle of the knives. I'm just gonna take a couple of these, and then I'm gonna take some forks. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, we are gonna use them. Oh no, we actually use that Tupperware. I got some straws. Those might come in handy. Right. Got that. Straws. These are apparently compostable. Good. Save the turtles. This is what I mean by I collect random stuff. Like in here is just like a really cheap grab bag full of Legos. It's just got random bits in there. There's some bottle caps we might be able to use. These are cases for contact lenses. Oh man, that'll definitely come in handy. So we'll definitely use some googly eyes.
Next level.
there we go. This is our base of our binocs. You know, I've gone for the kind of classic New Hope look. So you got the big button on the top and the rails, and that's just that random strip of plastic. These are part of the knives and just random bits. I found a bead, a thumbtack, a lid. That's a spray paint cap, googly eyes, just a random bit of plastic that I found. Again, another bead, a Lego hand, another googly eye, bottle cap. These are all the straws. And see, I haven't actually put the sort of the lens bits in because I don't want to paint those. This is going to look pretty cool. I'm just going to take this bit off, spray it with plastic primer, and then find a little base colour to spray it, and then we can hand paint some details on. It looks like a little fish. There you go. Come up with a name for my strange fish. So there you have it, that's my one-day build of a custom pair of binocs using whatever stuff I could find. I've gone really hard on the weathering because this isn't really the colour I wanted, and I wanted to get some like belts and sort of like wrap it around the body as well, but there's not going to be enough room for it on here. But you know what? This will do for a nice little prop. You know, again, the weathering's not amazing because it's just a quick job on here. It might be something, if I get the right colours that I want, I'll respray it and properly weather it up again. But this is just an example. As I said, what you make doesn't have to be perfect. Just kind of make what you want, and you know, this still looks like this could be a good prop. You put it in the background from a distance, you know. So it's a cool pair of binocs. Can't see anything through them because there's like a small sort of pinprick of light. Well, I can kind of see my my neon just like refracted upside down. So hopefully this has inspired you to go make stuff, and if you do make stuff, even if it's like just a drawing or a painting, doesn't have to be a prop. If you've got Instagram, you put it on Instagram, tag me in it, because I'd love to see your guys' work, because I always like seeing the builds you do. One of the builds I get tagged in most is people replicating this, which is my Tusken Raider mask. That was a challenge I did with Buckethead Props, where we had to build a Star Wars prop for a maximum budget of £20. So this is a very, very cheap prop that I did. The base is cardboard, and I just got loads of like spare bits of fabric and stuff off eBay. And so yeah, if you want to see that, video is on my channel. And thank you to my supporters on Patreon, especially to Jeff Kenny and Rai, I think, is it Rai? Please tell me if I'm saying your name wrong. I don't want to get it incorrect on here. So if you want to support me, go on over there. I know this is really difficult times at the moment, not a necessity, but there's a plug I do at the end of every video. So, you know, watching, sharing, liking, commenting, all helps. But I just appreciate you guys watching and sticking around, and I hope this inspires you to do some creating. So thank you again. Take care out there, especially nowadays. And as always, may the Force be with you.